pontoon boat today in Cullman, Alabama. And we are going to make this thing look absolutely amazing. Compared to what it is right now, it's going to look absolutely beautiful. I'm going to give you a really thorough walk around of this thing. It has been exposed to fresh water, and as you can see, it has a little bit of a sheen to it. You're doing the front here, coming back around, coming around. Got this here. You can see it's got a little bit of stuff right there, but I'm gonna walk this thing down. It looks pretty straightforward, looks pretty standard for a pontoon boat. This thing is a 2024 Beretta, and as you can see, it is still underneath warranty. It is still a great boat. Workable. Is it going to be perfect? No, nothing is ever perfect. Always remember that. Nothing is ever perfect. If anyone ever promises perfection, they are being disingenuous. Just think about that. Just remember that. So it's physically impossible. And so always keep that in mind. Metallurgy varies, the grain varies. You look at this, the machine marks that come around here that are actually running this way right here. And then if you're looking at this, the grain runs this way. A piece of aluminum, and it's gonna have characteristics of that. It's gonna get everything set up and let you see this process. So it's gonna be a little bit, but let's get into it, everybody. All right, everyone, wrapped up on this project, and as you can see, turned out absolutely exquisite. Safety is number one, personal safety number one, and also right up there is the safety of the units that we service. So no sanding, so no body work, because just as with equipment like this, the thickness of this tube on this pontoon is finite. It is not infinite. And same thing goes with all the other industrial equipment and also aircraft that we deal with. We only use safe and non-evasive means in order to enhance the cosmetic and aesthetic appearance. This finish is achieved with all EXQUISITEMAD, EXQUISITEMAD proprietary and trade secret methods, and also using our trade secret compounds and polishes.
Like and subscribe and just hit that bell.